In today's video, I'll show you a simple trick on how to check channel members on Telegram. Before we jump into this quick tutorial, tap the link in the description below to follow along, and let's get started. First, open up Telegram and click into the specific channel you want to check. Look at the top right corner of the chat window. You'll see the channel's name and profile picture, and right next to it, either a small profile icon or 3 vertical dots, menu button. Click on the channel's name or profile picture at the top. This will slide open a detailed channel info panel on the center of your screen. Right there in the info panel, you'll see the total subscriber count. Depending on whether you are an admin or a regular member, you can click on subscribers or members to expand the list. If you're an admin, you'll see everyone. If it's a public channel where you're a member, you can view subscribers and admins depending on the channel's privacy settings. Keep in mind that Telegram channels work a little differently from Telegram groups. In a channel, people are generally referred to as subscribers, while groups are designed more around member participation and conversations. And that is pretty much it. If you found this quick tech tip helpful, hit that like button or share it with a friend who's always navigating Telegram. Let me know in the comments what other desktop features you want me to break down next. See you in the next one.